Napanood ko to kay Ninong Rai, kaya excited talaga akong matikman. Fan ako ng cereal shrimp, kaya first time ko itry ang chicken version. Super crunchy, buttery, juicy, well-seasoned, hindi dry. Check this, isang piraso lang, halos kasing laki na ng mukha ko. Hindi lang yung coating ang swak pati yung chicken mismo. And now, gravy time! Creamy at flavorful. Best paired with their garlic rice. Tapos, perfect with their brioche ensaymada and peach iced tea. Mas balance ang peach flavor, hindi sobra sa tamis. And as I always say, kahit gaano kakabusog, there should always be room for dessert. Kaya naman I ordered Nana's Dream Espresso. Ice cream ang base instead of milk. 2 shots of espresso on top, creamy at sweet na perfect ang balance sa bitterness ng coffee. I visited Catherine's Cafe here at Ayala Mall's Vertis North. They also have branches in Ayala Mall's Manila Bay, SM Mall of Asia, Alabang Town Center. Follow for more honest food finds around the metro.